Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S80 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this DOOGEE device. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Security and Location. Then go into Screen Lock and pick one of the locking methods by tapping on the chosen one. I will go with Pattern. Then answer this question by clicking on Yes or No and enter your locking method. Now click Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and click on Confirm. Over here you can select when your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show. I will go with don't show notifications at all, so I have to click on this option and tap Done. So now when I go back, turn off my screen then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!